In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create donation buttons in Please Donate on your mobile. So you can see over here that I have all of these donation buttons and I'm going to show you exactly how we can create these. So the first thing you need to do is just exit out of the Roblox application. And what we need to do is click on our internet browser on our phone. And then in the address bar, you need to type in roblox.com. And then at the bottom of this page, you'll see this option to continue in browser. Click on this. Now from here, click on create in the top navigation. And that will take you over to the Creator Hub. Now we just need to click on the navigation bar in the top left hand side, click on Creations, and then go and select your Roblox place from this list. Now everyone will have one of these by default, so simply just click on it. Then in the top left hand side, click on the navigation bar, scroll all the way down to monetization and click on passes. And now in order to make these donation buttons, we need to create some passes. So click on create a pass, and by default we'll have this image already uploaded. You can change this to your own custom image, but I'm just going to leave it as the default one. Now you need to give your donation button a name. This will be available publicly for when people donate to you. So I'm just going to type something in like thanks for the donation. You can also give this a description as well, and once you're finished, just click on create pass, and now you should be able to see your pass in this list. Now you can see underneath it, it currently says off sale. So what we need to do now is turn this on sale so it appears in Please Donate. So to do that, just click on your game pass. Then what you need to do is click back on the navigation bar in the top left hand side, click on sales, and then you just need to turn your item on for sale like this, and then just enter the amount of Robux that you want people to donate. So let's say, for example, we wanted a 20 Robux donation, and you can see we're only going to get 14 of this because of the creator tax. Now, once you're finished, just click on Save Changes, and then what you can do is click on Creations from the left navigation, click back on your place, and then head back into the navigation on the top left hand side, scroll all the way down to monetization and click passes. And as you can see, we now have this first donation button created, and you can basically make as many of these as you like. So once you finish creating your passes or donation buttons, just head back over to the Roblox Please Donate game, and we need to relaunch it like so. And now once you're inside of the game, all you simply need to do is head over to an empty stand like this, hold down on your phone to claim the stand, and just like that, all of our donation buttons are going to appear. And what we can do is hold down this button again to edit the stand, and then you can change all of the things like the text color and the font and everything like that. And it's really as simple as that, guys. That's how you create these donation buttons in Please Donate. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.